Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today the photographer వచ్చాను the HDFC CEO with world's fastest bike. మీకు చెప్పలే కదా నేను ఎక్కడ ఉన్నాను. మన HDFC మీటప్ చేసిన హైదరాబాద్లో వాళ్ళు మీటప్ కండక్ట్ చేసారు. ప్లేస్ వచ్చేసి ద ఫోనిక్స్ ఏరియా హైటెక్ సిటీ దగ్గర. ఇతను ద బైకర్ బాయ్ జహీర్. ఈయన కూడా ఒక మంచి మోటో బ్లాగర్ కోల్కతాలో.
Right. Good morning, guys. Louder. Good morning. Good morning. Well, hello, Hyderabad. Before I move ahead, I want to make a special mention here of a person who's not here right now because of old age, but not because of the lack of his passion for motorcycling. Who knows about Colonel Kaleem? Okay, so Colonel Kaleem has been, he's into his 80s now, and he has been one of the main pillars in Hyderabad for XBHP. And if you don't know about him, he has been riding across India and across the border, for example, to Pakistan and other countries, on a simple 125cc, 100cc motorcycle since a very long time. And today he's not here with us because of health related problems, but he's there in Hyderabad at his home. So I just wanted to make a shout out for him. Probably he sees it later. And he was a very enthusiastic person. I mean, even more than most youngsters that are here today, because we complain about heat, we complain about health issues, pain, but he was always ready to ride thousands of kilometers just to meet someone on his 100cc motorcycle. So I think in the true sense of the word, he was a super biker. Now talking about super bikes and normal bikes, we have never demarcated basis of them. As you can see, we have a scooter, we have the world's fastest bike running alongside being on the same stage. In fact, the saying that slow and steady wins the race is true, because the only machine which has made to the stage is the end torque, while all of the rest of the machines are still behind here down. So jokes apart, thank you so much for coming here on a weekday, and I didn't expect good weather here, but it's cool breeze, so that is something which is very invigorating for us. And as motorcyclists, what we want is cool breeze and nice roads, curvy roads, probably. So Manan has already explained to you about what we are, why we are calling this Road Trip United. Number one, we are uniting all these kind of machines, and number two, we are uniting most of you guys who never meet each other on a Sunday or on a weekend, because you ride different motorcycles, because you are from different motorcycling groups. So I hope that we have managed to unite a part of the motorcycling fraternity here in Hyderabad. And we also wish
helmet, camera, action cam all like this. So I'm going to do this. Alright, Hyderabad, ready? I the biker.
We the power!
Louder, I the biker.
We the power!
I the biker.
We the power!
No, once more. Somebody said I the biker again in the crowd.
I the biker!
No, I have to say I the biker. You have to say we the power. All right. I the biker.
We the power!
Great, thank you so much, Hyderabad, and enjoy the drinks. We were swapping. So I asked him a question. Why is nobody from India yet in MotoGP? Because he's one of the fastest riders in India right now, and I think he'll be the future upcoming 1000cc champion. And he was there on Booth International.
Okay, now let's take this visit.
Alright guys, please settle down. So who all has registered their names with Nikhil? The motorcycling clubs. Can you please raise your hands? The admins of motorcycling clubs who are here. Have you given your names to Nikhil? Alright, Nikhil, we have the happiness and the love. So, right. No
Not easy to jam like this.
Not easy to jam, absolutely.
Can you whistle? Can anyone whistle? Also whistling.
For a long time. However, the first experience that I had with riding along with them was the odyssey that I did when I rode from Bhutan to Kolkata. I mean, I cannot even express in words how beautiful the ride was. And now coming back to this ride, we had the H2, world's fastest superbike. We had the world's biggest motorcycle, the Rocket, 2500 cc, and we even have a scooter along with us. Okay, so here is where I feel the grace of riding with them. Now, what I mean by this is that I have ridden with many friends, many groups, but there's always that sense of competition. Okay, this guy's got a fast motorcycle, that one is overtaking you going away. I want to get a bigger motorcycle. I want to go faster. So there's always that sense of competition. But here, can you believe all of us, irrespective of which motorcycle we were riding along. We were riding together. And we were taking care of the person who was behind. If we cannot see someone in the rear view mirror for about 5 or 10 minutes, we would stop and wait for that person. So here, irrespective of which motorcycle you have, we never had a sense of unnecessary competition. So this is about the beauty and the charm of riding with XPHP. And next, when it comes
సూపర్ ఉంది కదా బండి ట్రయంఫ్ రాకెట్ వరల్డ్స్ హైయెస్ట్ సీసీ బైక్ అది ఇవి వాళ్ళ వెహికల్స్ థార్ వాళ్ళు మొత్తం 2 థార్ ఒక రాకెట్ ఒక H2 మరి అపాచీ 310 ఎంటార్క్ని వచ్చారు హార్లీ డేవిడ్సన్ ఫ్యాట్ బాయ్ మస్తు ర్యాప్ చేయించింది కదా బైక్ అయితే రెడ్ బుల్ ఈరోజు వాళ్ళు డ్రింక్స్ స్పాన్సర్ చేసారు రెడ్ బుల్ మస్తు మడిఫై చేస్తారు కదా అది వెనకాల అడ్వెంచర్ ఈరోజు వచ్చిన వెహికల్స్ ఇవి మస్తు చాలామంది వచ్చారు అప్రాక్సిమేట్ 100+ వచ్చారు ఇంకా పార్కింగ్కి ప్లేస్ లేక బయట కూడా పెట్టారు వెహికల్స్ అన్నీ రాకెట్ రాకెట్ అందరు ఫోటో ఇస్తారు సందీప్ నడింపల్లి బైక్ అందరు దానికి ఫోటో ఇస్తారు కౌసాకి ZX10R